What is up, guys? For the longest time now, I have been needing a new sound system, so today we are going to be unboxing this Yamaha home theater system. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, before I get started, actually, as usual, this is going to be a pretty rushed unboxing because I've been waiting quite a long time for this, but still wanted to make a video of it for you guys, so here we go. That side, here we go. Looks like it's actually stapled as well. Oh. Looks like I need to sharpen my knife. No matter. Ugh. Alright, so first off, we have the easy setup guide. I might be referring to this at some point. I'm not entirely sure, so I'm just going to toss it over there for now. Right here, I am going to guess that these are the speakers. Just going to guess that. Okay. It says speaker system on it, so yeah, I'm going to guess that there are speakers in here, probably the satellites. Looks like the box is a little damaged. I hope the speakers themselves, though, are okay. Not really sure how that would have happened on the inside of the box, though. Alright, more documentation. Just going to toss that with the other one. And yes, these are the satellite speakers. So here they are, guys. I've got 4 of these ones. I'll go ahead and unwrap one of them just to show you what it looks like here. There we go. So unlike any of the sound systems I have ever had, actually, these speakers do have real tweeters in them. I don't know if you can see it really, but if you look here, here is the woofer that produces the mid-range tones, and the tweeter is right up here above it, which produces of course, the really high frequency tones. My center channel has 2 of the woofers, but still only 1 tweeter. You will see more of that in the setup video coming out tomorrow. And it looks like there is some speaker wire here, but I already ordered some of that. Better quality ones than what they include here. There are 2 components left in this box. We got the receiver and the subwoofer. I think I'm going to go ahead and do the subwoofer first. So we've got a bunch of cardboard sitting right on top of the subwoofer. Alright. And in here is the subwoofer. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this, because my table is pretty small. So I think what I'm going to do is just lift it out, hold it. There we go, that should be good. I'm going to go ahead and just get these off of here. So they did package this system fairly well, which I would hope at least. This system wasn't too expensive, but it also wasn't cheap. It was about, I think for all the mounts and the wire I bought, I spent about $500 on this. But again, I know systems that are quite more expensive. Alright, so first off at the top here, we've got a pretty cheap looking subwoofer cable. I did order another one of these too, though, so all good there. And here's the subwoofer itself. It is ported, as you can see right here. Here's the port. I actually have some subwoofers that are as big as this port, so take that for what it's worth. Alright, here's the subwoofer itself. I'm just gonna toss all this onto the floor there. Is the cover removable? Does not appear to be. But what I can tell you guys is that this is a 8-inch 100-watt subwoofer. On the back we've got a power button and a volume adjuster, and the input, and of course the power cable. So this is going to be a big upgrade from my current system. Let me put this into perspective for you guys. This subwoofer is 100 watts, right? My entire system, speakers and subwoofer included, is 70. So this subwoofer has more watts RMS than my entire system now. Last up is this receiver. I've never had a sound system with a receiver either, so this is I know how they work, I just have never owned one. But this is going to be quite the upgrade from my Logitech system that I bought more than 5 years ago. If you want to see that video, click the eye up in the top right corner. You can see I think I was 11 at the time, my 11-year-old self trying to explain what speakers were. Anyway, though, here it is. Alright, so this is the, not entirely sure how to pronounce it, but this is the YPOW microphone. Pretty much you put it where you're going to be sitting and it will automatically calibrate the entire surround sound system for you. So I will probably use this once I get the speakers up. If I had to guess, this is an AM antenna and this is a FM antenna. Right here we have the remote, also nice. Decent quality. I give them props for actually including batteries with it. So I'm actually just gonna put this over here and set it up later with the rest of the stuff. More documentation, toss that with the rest. More foam. And the receiver itself lifts out right like this. Oh, it's actually not too heavy. So you're not gonna be able to see this on my front camera here, but overhead camera's got you. Alright. So if you look on this, it has Bluetooth, HDMI, DTS, HD, and Dolby. So this is, I know it's not the best receiver, guys. It doesn't have Dolby Atmos, but the system itself was less than $500. So there you go, guys. If you want to check out the inputs, go ahead and just pause the video. I'm not even sure if this is in frame. I'll give you a more in-depth look in the setup video. There you go, guys. That is going to be it for this very rushed unboxing of a Yamaha sound system. Tomorrow there should be a setup video, so come back for that if you're interested. But until then, guys, that is going to be it. So thank you for watching.